My name is Achim Gleisner. I'm the commercial manager of Sennheiser for the broadcast media segment. We're dealing with all kind of audio for video products. And here at NAB 2017, we can be proud to say for broadcasters and for content creators, we are the only company that captures audio on any camera which is out there. What was missing after we introduced things like the VR mic for 360 cameras was this. There is millions of GoPros being used in professional, commercial and non-commercial applications, and all of these GoPros have, once they encapsulated in the protective cover, the protective housing, a similar problem, which is sound. So with a program we did with GoPro for quite a while under the developers program, we developed the first external microphone for a Hero 4 camera, which enables you to do anything you do with your camera without the microphone, now with a microphone. In any kind of conditions, be it mud, be it dust, be it snow, be it ice, be it wind, and primarily, and that's the most exciting thing, be it water. This product, this microphone, when connected to the Hero 4, can even work underwater.
And it has quite a bit of resistance to wind noise?
Yes. The microphone as such, and I'm going to show you it here, the microphone as such is waterproof. So this is the microphone capsule based on the MKE2 technology, which we have for quite a while and which is applied in professional applications, in theaters, in Broadway shows, was sweat-proof. Now we went a little further and made the microphone waterproof. So this capsule underneath the stainless steel here is waterproof. The next issue which you sometimes have is rattling noise when it's attached to a bike, for example. So structure-borne noise, and this microphone is suspended with an elastic suspension. That's on the microphone side. Now this tiny little ball here, which feels a little different than you typically would know from windshields, the furry windshields. It's more like a fiber kind of surface. Being put over the microphone gives you excellent wind protection up to 60, 70 miles an hour. It's being tested. So just what you would expect from a professional wind protection. The reason why it's this fiber thing rather than the standard furry is it stays in that exact shape when it's even wet. So you dip this underwater and pull it out, it still will look the same. Water will go in very fast into this because this is just physical protection but also wind protection. Water will go in very fast because the mic in it is the waterproof part, and then it will pour out very fast in order to, when you dip it underwater, come back like in surfing, that it immediately goes back to, well, it's listening on air, to vibrating air rather than being still, plunged in water. That's the point.
And this is an Omni mic?
This is an omnidirectional mic. The reason for using an omnidirectional mic was that the technology is for this Omni, the waterproof protection, but also the Omni fits the best to the application which comes with sports. For example, if you mount it on a bike, and look forward, and you still want to record your own voice, you need an Omni mic which picks up the surrounding the surrounding noise and surrounding sound, but also yourself. So you never know what the orientation of the camera is, and that's why the Omni was the best choice for doing this.
And it comes as a bag for your
right. So the product, which is now available since yesterday, is not just the microphone, but the microphone is sealed to a back door, which you want to change against your existing back door. Every Hero 4, that's a working unit by the way, every Hero 4 comes with this protective cover. And it consists of the front part and the back part. So you take off the back door, which you have, connect it on the side with a tiny little connector. It still will fit into the housing of the 4, and you change the back door. Now, what's so special with this blue thing? This is a spacer, which comes with a microphone, because we've chosen to do a deep back door for those users, for example, using a backup battery to extend the battery lifetime. So if you have a backup battery, it will fit into the housing. So it would stick out like this. You close it. If you don't use a backup battery, then you want to use this blue spacer. Just put it in, which has the same depth as the battery, and that avoids the camera to rattle in the housing. Close it back, and off you go. That's all you need to do. And here we record.
Which models GoPros will this work with?
The MK2 Elements product, which we have available since yesterday, works with a Hero 4, both silver and black. It won't work with the Hero 5, because the Hero 5 is a total different camera, but with this ongoing partnership with GoPro, we're currently working on a Hero 5 solution for those users, but this is now for the huge amount of install base Hero 4 users, both silver and black. It also will work backwards with a Hero 3 Plus. The Hero 3 will work with that microphone. However, the Hero 3 housing is slightly different than the Hero 3 Plus housing. It has 2 ribs here. We experienced it earlier. You wanted to use it with your Hero 3, and it won't fit. Putting the Hero 3 into a Hero 3 Plus housing then will work. But the large number of users we're addressing with the MK2 Elements Action Mic are users of 4s. That was the best-selling model.